Hello guys, in this tutorial we will discuss how we can configure Google Analytics 4 on your website. So this is our WordPress website and we already installed Google Analytics before, but now we are going to configure Google Analytics 4. As per Google policy, you can see on July 1, 2023 this property will stop processing data starting in March 2023. So it's already started. So we need to configure Google Analytics 4, you can see, right? So how we can configure Google Analytics 4 on your WordPress website or any website. So you can see I already created Google Analytics on our website. Now we are going to configure Analytics 4. So once you logged in your Google Analytics account, just select your account's name. After that, go to click on admin panel. Okay, once you click on admin, you can see this kind of dashboard. Okay, now you can see at the middle of the property, you can see the option for GA4, Google Analytics 4 Setup Assistant. Okay, just click on it, and once you click on it, you can see Google Analytics 4 property setup assistant not connected. Now we need to configure and it should be connected. How we can do that? Just click on get started button. Okay, so once you click on get started button, you can see this kind of pop-up. Just click on create and continue. Okay, so I'm just clicked and it's getting continued. Okay, now you can see Google Analytics 4 property setup assistant is connected, right? So now go to, you can check my GA4 property, something like this. Okay, it's opening. Now you can see setup assistant, and that's it. Okay, we can also start it for data collection. I just added for not started. Okay, it's not necessary to get it done actually. This is basically for app data. So yeah, you can see how we can easily connected our Google Analytics 4, right? So you can see now when you click on property, when you go through property section, you can see it's selected HTML GA4. Okay, before it was HTML's this only. Now you can see another tag is added called HTML-GA4 means your Google Analytics 4 has been configured. That's it. Thank you.